Stuck at 650 credit score and banks keep shutting the door on you? Yeah, that credit limbo is brutal. You need business funding, but the approval just won't come. But here's the truth. 650 does not mean you're locked out. Today I'm going to show you exactly how entrepreneurs with 650 score are still getting approved for business credit cards. The single biggest mistake that causes instant denials. And the credit bureaus bank actually check behind the scenes. Yes, even with 650, there's a powerful business credit option available. And today I'm answering the one question: what is the best business credit card for a 650 credit score, and how do you get approved? And I will reveal the mistakes that gets entrepreneurs denied instantly, even when their score is decent. The 650 credit reality. Let's be real about 650 score. Credit bureaus classify 650 as fair, just below good, which starts around 670. That means premium business cards are off the table for now. Credit cards with luxury perks, massive sign-up bonuses, and elite rewards. But fair credit is not bad credit. With a 650 FICO score, you can still get approved, just usually with fewer perks, higher interest, and more conservative limits. Now here's what most people mess up. Most business cards still check personal credit because they require a personal guarantee. But here's a huge thing. Some lenders focus more on your business health than your FICO score. Corporate style cards like Brex or Ramp don't even look at your personal credit. They underwrite based on your revenue, bank balance, and cash flow. Here's the part almost nobody talks about: the biggest denial mistakes. Banks don't just check your personal credit, they also check your business credit bureaus. Here are three main bureaus: Dun and Bradstreet, second, Experian Business, third, Equifax Small Business. Your business credit is completely separate from your personal credit. If your business profile are blank, inconsistent, or mismatched, your application gets auto-rejected, even with a 650 score. So remember this, 650 does not mean game over. It just means you need to play the game correctly. Foundation before applying. Before applying any card, your business might look legitimate. First, separate the business from an LLC or corporation, not a sole business. Get a federal EIN. It's free from IRS and acts like your business security social number. Second, business bank account. Open a real business checking account in company name. Never use personal checking. Use startup-friendly banks like Blue Wine and keep consistent deposits. Bank absolutely looks at cash flow and banking history. Third, professional contact information. No PO boxes, no floppy information. Use a real street addresses or UPS suite, a dedicated phone number. Your name, address, and phone must match exactly everywhere. State filing, IRS, bank, and application. Even small mismatches cause denial. Fourth, vendors trade line. Open net 30 vendors account like Uline or Granger to generate DNB PAYDEX score. You need a DUN number and at least 2 reporting trade lines. This step alone separates approved business from denied ones. Now let's talk about best business credit cards for 650 credit score. First, secured business credit cards. If you want the safest approval part, start here. Bank of America Business Secured MasterCard. 1.5% unlimited cashback. Second, $0 annual fees, refundable security deposit. Fourth, report to business bureaus. You deposit money, they gave you that limit. Every on-time payment builds business credit, and BOA may upgrade you later. This is one of the best foundation cards in the game. Second, starter unsecured business cards. Once you have some structure, this is top pick. Capital One Spark Classic for business, designed for fair credit. First, 1% cashback. Second, $0 annual fee. Third, strong approval, odds around 650 credit score. If you have no bankruptcies or recent collections, this card is very realistic. Avoid premium chase or MX cards for now. Those require 700 plus credit score. Third, no personal guarantee corporate cards. This is where things get powerful. Brex, no personal credit check. No personal guarantee, higher limit, reports to business bureau, Approval depends on cash flow or bank balance, not FICO. Ramp. No credit check, underwrites based on revenue, no annual fee. Bill, DIVVY, very accessible, can qualify with $20,000 in the bank. No personal guarantee. These are game changers if your business have traction. Non-traditional options. Blue Wine line of credit, reports to Experian, PayPal and Square financing based on sales, not FICO. No credit cards, but powerful tools to build business credit. Cards to avoid for now. Avoid Chase in Preferred, Amex Business Gold, luxury bonus cards. Applying early causes denials and unnecessary credit hits. Application blueprint. This matters. Apply smart. Report gross business revenue before expenses. Do not inflate numbers. Do not mix personal income with business revenue. If your business is new, $0 or a reasonable estimate is acceptable. Use exact legal business information. Any mismatch can trigger automatic rejection. Accuracy beats optimism every time, turning approval into credit growth. Approval is just one step. Use the card regularly, pay on time or early, keep the utilization under 30%. For D&B PAYDEX, 80% score on time or early payments. Monitor reports on NAV or Experian business. Aim for 3 to 5 trade lines across multiple bureaus, credit cards, vendor count, and line of credit. Consistency beats speed. 12 months upgrade plan. Month 1 to 3. Use starter card. Open 1 to 2 vendor accounts. Month 4 to 6. Score starts reporting. Add a second trade line. Third, pay early to boost PAYDEX. Pay early to boost PAYDEX. Month 7 to 12. 3 to 5 strong trade lines. Independent business credit. Now apply for high tier cards. At this step, your personal 650 score barely matters. Here's the truth. 650 is just the starting point. Your credit score does not define your business. Your discipline does. Follow this blueprint. In 12 months, you will have higher limits, better approval. Take action from the LLC. Get the EIN. Open the bank account. Choose the right starter card. You are no longer stuck. You are building the credibility, and funding follows credibility. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just learning and sharing what I discovered on my journey to understand money. So take this as information, not advice. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe and comment that you're actually taking the action.